Today we are making a delicious apple crumble cake from scratch. We will make this cake in 3 simple steps before assembling it all and baking it to perfection. In the first step, we will prepare the apple sauce. We will take 4 medium-sized apples. We will peel them and slice them, and then we are going to add them to a saucepan. We are going to add around 50 grams of sugar, but if you see that your apples are very sweet, you can reduce the sugar to 35 grams. And we will also add a pinch of salt. Cook the sauce over medium heat until the apples are soft and tender. Stir occasionally. Once it's done, mash the apples slightly and let the sauce cool completely. This adds a fluffy and moist layer to our cake. Now let's prepare the crumble topping. In a bowl you need to add 32 grams of unsalted butter, 40 grams of almond flour, 40 grams of all-purpose flour, mix everything well together with your fingertips until it forms a crumbly texture. Now we will add around 40 grams of sugar to this mixture. Mix everything well together with your hands and pop this into the refrigerator for 30 minutes to chill. This step will make the crumble crisp during baking. Now let's prepare the cake batter. We will start by creaming together the unsalted butter and sugar. We will beat the mixture until it turns light and fluffy. Now add 1 egg to the batter and beat the mixture over medium speed for around 2 to 3 minutes until everything is well incorporated. After beating the mixture, scrape the sides of the bowl with the spatula. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence to this mixture. Now it's time to add the dry ingredients. Sift in around 80 grams of all-purpose flour and half teaspoon of baking powder. Beat the mixture over medium speed until everything is well combined. Add around 2 tablespoons of milk and mix until everything is smooth. At this point, the batter should be silky and ready to bake. It's time to assemble the cake. In a greased baking pan, pour in the cake batter and spread it evenly. Add a layer of the cooled apple sauce on top, spreading it evenly. Finally, sprinkle the chilled crumble mixture evenly over the apple layer. Place the cake in the oven and bake it around 170 degrees for 60 minutes or until the top is golden brown. And here it is, your apple crumble cake. It's the perfect combination of soft, moist cake with sweet apple filling and a crunchy crumble topping. You can serve it warm or at room temperature and enjoy every bite. I hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed filming it. If you like this recipe, don't forget to comment and subscribe for more delicious recipes. I'll see you next time, and until then, bye bye.